Hello everyone, today we'll discuss exercise 14.1 question number 8. What letters of English alphabet have reflection symmetry? The symmetry related to mirror reflection about a vertical mirror, a horizontal mirror, both horizontal and vertical mirrors. Let us first find in vertical mirror, right? Now first of all solve question number A. If we take a vertical mirror, let us take a vertical mirror. Suppose this is a line. We will take a line here. This is a vertical line, right? And if we take this line a slightly longer, we are taking the vertical mirror, right? This is the mirror, and if we take this vertical mirror, if I take A, in A the image will be like this, A, in case of vertical mirror, right? If we take H, the the mirror image will be like this, H shape. If I take I, it will be same as I. If I take M, it will be same as M. If I take O, it is also O. If I take T, it is also same as T. This is for vertical mirror, right? Therefore, for vertical mirror, the vertical mirror T, if I take another line, let us take another mirror line with this one. If I take this here, if I take this one here, and this is a mirror, and if we take the various other letters, you'll get, if we take U, if we take U, the image will be like this as U, right? If you take V, the image will be like this, same as that. W, if you take W, the image will be like this, W. If you take X, the image will be in this way, right? And if you take Y, then you will get image in this way. This is for vertical mirrors, that is A. That means the letters are A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X, Y, right? These are reflection symmetry related to mirror reflection, right? This is for vertical mirror. If I take horizontal mirror, then what are the letters we get? You see here. Now question number B. Question number B is this is question number B. If we take a horizontal mirror, what you'll find, you see, if I take horizontal mirror, suppose we take a mirror here, let us take a mirror in this direction, suppose this one. If we take a horizontal mirror, this is horizontal and mirror, and if we take the various letters, suppose this is a horizontal mirror, if we take, suppose if we take B, the image will be like this, B, right? If we take C, the image will be like this, C. If we take D, the image will be like this, D. If we take E, the image will be like this, E, right? And if we take H, the image will be same as that H. If we take I, it is same as I. If we take O, it is same as O. And if I take X, it is same as X. Right? Therefore, for horizontal mirrors, the letters are B, C, D, E, H, I, O, and X. Now for question number C. If we take question number C, both horizontal and vertical mirrors, right? Symmetrical, both horizontal and vertical, right? For both horizontal and vertical, letters are common letters. That is right. That is, we are getting both common. That is H, I, O, and X. H, I, O, and X. Right. That is H, I, O, and X. These four letters. Right. Now question number C. Both horizontal and vertical. Both horizontal. Both horizontal and vertical. Both horizontal. Horizontal. Both horizontal and vertical mirrors. And vertical mirrors. Both horizontal and vertical mirrors. The letters are the letters are the letters are R H I O X H I O X. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.